Hello everybody. Well, I'm going to try something here to help you out with how to save your 7029 member activity form using a program, a free program that was brought to my attention by Rob, our Vice Division Commander, called Primo PDF. This way, using this free software, you can save a filled out version of your 7029 form on your hard drive that you can later email. And this will get us around the problem that we're currently having right now with the 7029 forms not being able to have an emailable version. So I'm going to walk you through the process. It's very simple on how to set up a folder on your desktop where you can save your saved completed files, 7029 forms, and how you can download this for free, this program Primo PDF, and how to use it. This is all very simple, and it'll make doing your 7029s and being able to email them that much simpler. So let's start first by going ahead and creating a folder on our desktop on a place where we can save our completed 7029 forms. And the best way to do that is just kind of come over here on your desktop and right click, and you're going to see it says new. And you go over to, and you see it says folder. You want to go over and left click on that, and there you have your new folder down there. Now it's waiting for you to give it a name, and the easiest thing to do is just call it 7029. Sorry, that's the name of the form, and then just go ahead and hit enter, and it's ready to go. Now the next step is to go ahead and get this program, and it's very easy to do. Just go over here to your Internet Explorer, double click on that, and when it comes up eventually you come up here and you just type in this website, www.download.com. This is a really great place, and then hit enter. It's done by CNET, and it's a great place to download all kinds of software, both free and stuff you have to pay for. This particular program is free. It doesn't cost a penny. You don't have to pay for it at all, and I'll show you how to get it. So right here on the address line, you're going to type Primo, and see it's already starting to come up, but we'll finish it up, PDF, and then come over here and we're going to search for it. And it comes up, okay, there it is, and what you do is then you click on this, and there it is. Now, it's very simple. There's nothing to it. You just click on download and follow the instructions. Very simple to do. It'll automatically load your machine and automatically put a icon on your desktop, and you're good to go. Alright, now let me show you how to use it. And using it is actually even easier than downloading it, if you can believe that. So let me close the Internet Explorer. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, what I've done is I've already gone ahead and brought from the national website a copy, a blank copy of the 7029 form, the new one here. Actually, I keep one on my hard drive to fill out, but you can fill it out on your hard drive or on the website. It doesn't matter. But for making it easy to show what's going on, I have it right here on the desktop. So I'm going to double click it, and it's going to open up, and it's a typical Coast Guard auxiliary form that you're used to. New version granted. But normally it says, you can't save the data, and you got to save, if you want to save a copy, you got to print it. But not anymore. We have a way to take care of that now. So we come up here and we're just going to type in some information just so we have it. So this is going to be, if I can type this in, there we go. Division 22, Flotilla 05, month is going to be January or JAN. Year, of course, is 2010. Member ID, we'll just say test. Last name, we'll call that test with a T. And we'll just plug a couple hours in here. So let's say 7, 5, 2, 3, and 6. Okay? We won't bother filling any of this other stuff out because this is just for demonstration purposes. So you can see it shows us our we have here for our hours, and now we're ready to go ahead and use the Primo PDF. And this is where it's very simple. Normally when you would go to print the file, you come up here and you click on your print icon. So let's click on that as if we're printing a paper file, and you'd see there's your printer right there. but instead we're going to do something different. We're going to come to this little arrow here. Instead of printing it to a printer, we're going to basically kind of print it in a way to this Primo PDF, which is the way we're going to save it. So we click on that, the little arrow coming down, and we'll notice on our block here we have, this is of course after you've downloaded the program, you'll have this thing called Primo PDF, and you click on that, left click on that. Now down here, we don't need to save all 3 pages, so I just go ahead and highlight that and make that 1, and so now it's only going to go ahead and save the first page because that's all we really need to pass on to Patty. So we click on OK. So now Primo PDF is going to open up, and there it is in the middle of our page. And there's really nothing you have to do here. Now, I did one thing. I just increased the resolution to make it a little bit easier to read by going instead of screen resolution to ebook resolution. You don't even have to do that. I just did it for myself. It's not that important. But you don't have to do anything here as far as changing anything. It's good to go as is. All you have to do is come down to here where it says Create PDF and click on that. Now you just have to tell it where you want to save this this copy of your 7029 form. And if you remember correctly, you can't see it now, but we did create the folder on the desktop. So we go to the desktop, click on desktop, and you'll see there's the 7029 folder for saving our completed forms. So I'm going to double click on that, and we have to call it something. So I'm just going to call it 7029 test January or Jan. Okay? So now we hit save. Alright. In a second, you're going to see the actual saved file that Primo PDF created pop up, and here it is. And you'll notice it no longer has that purple bar, and all this information is actually saved. And it won't go away. It's an actual PDF file with all your data on it. Okay, so to prove to you, I'm just going to go ahead and close all this out. And we're going to come down here to where it says the 7029 file. And we're going to double click on that. Oops, sorry. Hit the wrong thing. Let me move this out of the way. We're going to come here to the 7029 folder that we created on the desktop. Double click. And you'll see there's the file that we created, that we saved, of the 7029 January numbers. And we click on that, and there it is. There's the actual form completed and saved, and it's ready to go. All you have to do now is just use your email program and attach a copy, attach this file here within your email, and email that to Patty, and you now have an emailable, savable copy of your 7029 form, courtesy of Primo PDF and your Vice Division Commander, Rob. I hope you found this instructional video helpful, and if you like this way of learning and you think it's a good idea, let me know, and we can do it again. Thank you.